ladies and gentle cars, introducing the Tormentor!
Excuse me, it's Tow-Mater.
Who wants some ice cream? The Ice Creamer! I'm gonna make you scream! Where did he go?
Excuse me, mister. Can I have one double-dip dipstick sundae, please?
Huh? Oh, sure. That's a very popular flavor. Huh? Whoa!
1, 2, 3. A winner!
Now that's a Sunday!
Drop and give me 20.
I'll give you 3.
1, 2, 3. A winner!
The Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock.
Me be jamming now, man.
1, 2, 3. A winner!
Who'll be jamming now?
You'll be jamming now!
Ooh, Dr. Feelbad. Your next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Just wait till he gets the bill.
1, 2, 3.
Patio Concrete's gonna lay some cement.
Here comes a nice fresh pour!
Pour it on.
Oh,
He got names!
Now that's what I call a patio, Daddy-o.
1, 2, 3.
You rock, man! Woohoo! And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The buck-toothed wonder of the world, the wrestler of disaster, the Tormentor! And the world champion, Dr. Frankenwagon!
Piece of cake.